Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Wisdom Series with Ayobami. And I hope the past episode has been of great use to you. You're maximizing it, you're getting better, and you're building the right mindset for productivity, because that is the main aim of this series. Now, continuing on this journey, I want us to go through a little bit of this story right now. There was this guy about, when the COVID issue started. There was an instruction that nobody should go out. There was a lockdown actually, so there was a curfew, and it was like, man, I need to go out, and he went out. He drove. It was a taxi driver, right? Definitely, that's the only way he makes his money. But there was a law guiding the city at that time that nobody should step out. But he stepped out. And when they caught him, was like, man, I need to feed my family. I need to do this, that. Why will you do this? But simple instruction wasn't followed. Now, instead of him to have stayed at home with a little cash on him, he ended up paying extra more bill without even making extra money for that day. So why am I saying this? We are looking into today's section, into today's episode, understanding the power of obedience. Understanding the power of obedience. There are things that have been set as a rule, as principle that you need to follow in your life. There are things that you have been positioned, wired for, right? Now, one thing I want you to understand in this aspect, when we're talking about purpose, we said that is your assignment, and until you are overqualified for your current assignment, the next one cannot be given to you, right? It's the same way with with obedience. Until you have done the initial instruction given to you, the next stage will not be revealed unto you. So if you are in disobedience in the instruction you have been given, either in your business, either in your career, in your relationship, whatever it is. All right, when I say relationship, now right now, somebody like, man, I'm the boss, I'm the guy. Why will I listen to an instruction? Listen, I don't want to go into relationship right now, but understand this. Everything have principles that guide it, and if you don't follow it through, it will not give you the results you desire. So from today, ask yourself, what are the instructions that have been given to me but I have been disobedient to? Because in the obedience to those instructions, that is where the next phase for the result I desire are in. So whatever you're doing today, whatever, all right guys, whatever it is, understand that there is a principle that backs it, and you must follow those principles to really get the results you want. So whatever you're doing today, learn to follow instruction as it is given, and don't disobey. And when you disobey, learn to check your tracks and find where you actually made the mistake, and make sure you follow it, because the instruction is or the wisdom is this: if an instruction is given to you and you do not follow it through, the next one that will take you to the next phase of your life, that will make that part pure, that will make that part also awesome to walk on, will not be given. So from today, learn to be obedient, because there is a power and wisdom in it to guide you through. I look forward to having you on the next episode of Wisdom Series with Ayobami. And do me a favor, if this is your first time watching this and you've not subscribed to this channel, do that right now. And you can like, share, and comment as well, so that more people can gain from this knowledge and they can become wiser and building the right mindset for productivity in our sphere of life. I look forward to having you watch this again, the next episode. Have a nice one, and God bless you. Bye for now.